Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a magnetic car mount, screen mount version. I don't know, so let's see what this is here. This is supposed to connect up to my Tesla screen and give me a car mount. So let's see what we got in here. We have a few pieces and parts and cleaners and whatnot. So let's just take everything out and I'll show you what we got. So the first thing we have is we have a warranty. We have some instructions on how to connect up a mount if you don't know how already. I kind of do. So we're going to give this a try. We have this is going to be the little mount for it. It's kind of nice looking, kind of cool. It looks like it's see-through-ish. And then we have some cleaners, and I guess if you don't have the Magsafe thing on your phone, you could put that on there. And I guess that's going to, yeah, that's just a magnetic loop you can put on your case if you don't have a Magsafe already. I do. And then cleaners to clean this thing off. Put everything up here. And then we have the little device right here. So this can go on the back corner, and I guess it comes with a little flexible loop here. So this will go on the corner as such, and then you can put it like that. I can tighten it up. And what you'll want to do is do the tape on the back for it, but I'm not gonna. You would open up this tape here, and then you can put it on, and it'll hold it on there really good. It's VHB tape, so that's really good. But let's see if we can put this on here without it right now. Let's see if we can. So the way it works to connect these things up is you take this little part off, snap it on, and then you can screw it back on there again. And of course, under pressure, I am not able to do this. Let's see. Okay. There we go. And you just screw it on until it gets tight as you want it, and then when it's tight, it won't rotate anymore. So, boy, this one's screwed on a lot. Okay, there. So, well, I don't want it that angle. Make it a little looser. There. Okay. So that would be like the angle on it there. And I'm gonna go just take off my phone case right here because I can't show you guys with the phone on. So there we go. We are still recording. So I have a phone case that has the Magsafe on it. So the way it'll work is it'll go on there. It'll be taped on if you'd like it taped on, and then you put your phone on it, and it'll hold on by the Magsafe. And that's got a really strong magnet. I think it takes a bit of pulling to get it off. Even so that's not going anywhere. That's great. I like that. So you can put it on that side, and if like that would be kind of weird on that side, you'd probably want it on this side. So you put it here, and then it'll be there. I have a rotating mount. Rotating screen. So let me see if I was to go up here, maybe up in the corner, and then see my screen goes like that. But then I could have it here, and then it would be more in my line of sight. So how cool is that? A really nice little mount here, and you can put it on either side. I haven't decided if I want it here for my guests or for me, but we'll figure it out here shortly, and I'll be taping it on, and we'll be good to go. Super awesome. It's got a really strong magnet. That'll totally hold it over bumps and stuff. So really good. Thumbs up.